Hello everyone, this is the 2024 update of the guest reviews of the beachfront hotels in Sunny Beach. We will be moving from south to north, starting with Burgas Beach Hotel. The Burgas Beach Hotel had 8.1 in 2022, and now they have obviously stopped working with Booking.com, but their Google equivalent review score is 8.6. Then we have Golden Rainbow Apart Hotel, which is dropping to 7.8 from 8.3. Then we have the Nessebar Beach Hotel, which has also stopped working with Booking.com. Last time in 2022 it was 8.8, and now they have 4.2, or the equivalent would be 8.4. So that's a drop with 0.4. Then we have Europe Hotel and Casino moving up just a little bit to 8.3 from 8.2. After that we have the Pomorie Sun Hotel, which has one of the most significant drops. It is now 6.0, down from 7.2, or minus 1.2. That is a very big drop. And next we have actually the biggest drop. It is the Fenix Hotel, which is now 6.2, and it was 7.7 back in 2022. After that we have the Viand Hotel, which is down a little bit to 7.7 from 8.0. Next to it is the Blue Pearl Hotel, which is up just a little bit with 0.1 to 8.4 now. Then we have the Rio Helios, the former Rio Helios Hotel, which will not be working again this year. Then we're moving on to one of the best reviewed hotels, which is the Sentido Neptune Beach Hotel. Their current review score is 9.3, which is down with just minus 0.1 points from 9.4 in 2022. Next to it we have the Gallery 2 apartments, which are now 8.6, down from 9.2 that was in 2022. Okay, moving on to the former Globus Hotel, which nobody knows what's going on and when exactly will it open. They are advertising with billboards that they're opening on the 4th of June, but I don't know about that. So, moving on with the guest reviews, we have the Dune Hotel, which is dropping just a little bit to 9.3 from 9.4, which is still a great review score. After that we have the Sunny Beach Grand Hotel, which is up a little bit to 7.6 from 7.4. This hotel was fully renovated this winter, so I assume their reviews are gonna go up. Then we have the Chaika Beach Hotel. They have also stopped working with Booking.com. Last time their score was 5.5, and now the review score in Google is 3.3, which equals 6.6 on the scale to 10. So they're up with 1.1, which is improvement. After that we have the Grand Victoria Hotel. They're at 8.4, exactly where they were 2 years ago. They're keeping up the standard, good for them. Next to them, we have the Briz beach apartments, which are also keeping up the very good standard at 9.3, the same as 2 years ago. As long as you don't mind looking at the Ferris wheel, there is no problem. Okay, next is the Glarus Hotel. They're down to 7.6 from 8.3 back in 2022, or minus 0.7. That's also a big drop for the Glarus Hotel. Next we have the Heaven Hotel, which have also stopped working with Booking.com, or I don't find the old listing. Anyway, they were 7.7 on Booking.com back in 2022, and now in Google they are at 3.9, which would equal 7.8, or the same as it was 2 years ago. Then we have the Star Hotel, which is up a little bit to 9.0. Very good for them. Last time it was 8.9. Next we have the Platinum Hotel and Casino, and they're at 8.3, down a little bit from 8.5 back in 2022. And then we have the Evrika Beach Hotel, which is now 8.2, up a little bit from 8.1 in 2022. Moving on to the Palace Hotel, they're at 8.2, the same as a year ago. Next is Slavyanski Hotel, they're up a little bit to 7.5 from 7.4 last year. Then we have the Sentido Bellevue Hotel, they're staying at 8.5, the same as last year, keeping up the standard. Then we have the Shipka Hotel, which is up a little bit to 6.7. Then we have the Imperial Palace, which is 6.8 now, up from 6.5 last year. That is a 0.3 move up for the Imperial Palace. Next to it we have the Majestik Beach Hotel, which is staying at 8.8, the same as it was last year. Next to it we have the former Fiesta Hotel, which is undergoing renovation, and it looks like that it is going to be maybe able to open this summer sometime. And next to it we have the Helena Sands Hotel, which is moving up to 9.2 from 9.0 a year ago.